Gavin from Paddle here, and if you're an app developer, I have some really exciting news for you. We've just launched something that makes external payment flows for in-app purchases way easier to set up: hosted checkouts. It's a low-code solution that lets you create fully hosted web checkouts without any complex back-end work. Just configure your checkout in the Paddle dashboard, and we give you a link. Drop that link into your app, and boom. Users can purchase outside the app while you stay compliant and skip App Store fees. And our checkout starter kit. It's a Vercel template with all the code you need to create, customize, and deploy web checkouts that you can then host on your own domain without any complex backend work. Just download the template, add your own custom code, and deploy with Vercel. We give you a link that you can drop into your app, and boom, a fully compliant web checkout and no more App Store fees. It's fast, customizable, and lets you stay focused on building a cool product while we handle the rest.